Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Create a restore point and confirm your Windows 11 build so you can revert if needed. Next, identify the exact device model and current driver version. This prevents mismatches that cause failures. Once done, use Windows Update and the OEM site or Microsoft Update catalog to download the correct driver package. Make sure to choose signed drivers for stability and save installers to an easy folder. These steps reduce risk while you proceed to install. You now perform the installation. Open Device Manager, and if a device is failing, uninstall the current driver to clear residual configs. After uninstalling, click Update Driver, choose Browse My Computer, and point to the downloaded package, or run the OEM installer as administrator to ensure proper registration. If installation stalls or flags a conflict, reboot to safe mode and repeat. Safe mode prevents third-party interference. Make sure to reboot normally after a successful install, so Windows loads the new driver fully. Finish by verifying the outcome. Open Device Manager to confirm the installed driver version and that the device shows as working. Test functionality in typical apps to ensure stability. If problems appear, immediately roll back the driver or restore the system to the restore point you made. This often resolves regressions. For persistent failures, consult Event Viewer for error codes and contact OEM support with logs. One key troubleshooting tip: disable automatic driver updates temporarily to prevent Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.